The main cause of foundation cracks: normal house settlement. Performance standard. Foundation walls are subject to a variety of pressures, thermal stresses, and movements which can cause hairline cracks that do not affect the ability of the foundation wall to support the structure. These cracks will be repaired only when they exceed 1/8 inch in width. Responsibility. The builder will repair cracks exceeding 1/8 inch only during the warranty period. Repairs will consist of painting and/or patching. The builder is not responsible for color variation between old and new mortar. 1/8 inch is about the thickness of 2 pennies. Reasons to address foundation cracks: preventing future problems and cosmetic. Preventing future problems. Filled cracks will reduce the ability of water to enter your basement, helping to keep the basement humidity at reasonable levels while increasing the durability of your home's structural and finished materials. Cosmetic. Filled foundation cracks just look better. This repair is considered homeowner maintenance, unless cracks are wider than 1/8 inch. Level of difficulty: easy. Time needed: about 15 minutes per crack. Is contractor assistance available? Yes, please contact. Materials needed: concrete caulk, caulk gun, utility knife, plastic gloves, rags, a stepladder for higher areas, and a shovel for ground level exterior cracks. Cut the tip of the caulk tube twice as shown. Basic steps: apply concrete caulk to the crack using the caulk gun. Wearing plastic gloves, rub the caulk into the crack. Aggressively wipe off excess caulk with a rag. For exterior cracks, expose at least 8 inches of the foundation below grade. Tip: if you are using a latex caulk, after cleaning off the excess caulk with a rag, go over your work again with a clean, damp rag. It's that easy.